All right, now anybody who says that the DR is not capable, look at this beaut, little DR200. Look at the little hill here. It's not a very long hill. Get a side angle. They're pretty steep. Let's see what this factory stock, get it from the side. Get it from the side. See what this little DR can do. You ready? Here we go. Dude, I gotta do it again. Holy moly, dude, that was...
You gotta make sure you're in first gear. Don't second gear it. It doesn't have enough juice.
That was full throttle.
I know, it almost bogged out. You gotta wind it out.
Bog out. I had to pull the clutch in, give it gas, and dump the clutch. Oh, man. Hold on, let me do this. Let me do this one more time. Minor adjustment. You think I ought to try it in second gear one more time?
Second gear is not, you're gonna, dude, it's gonna stall when you don't. That's the only thing, like I was saying back there, some of them, because if you have it too low, it bogs out, and then this takes a second to catch
Dude,
up.
how did that look on the first one? Dude, it died. It stopped on me.
It almost stalled, I heard it. That's why you gotta do this. You gotta get, well, you gotta do this.
Dude, look at my lane that I cut. Said the DR isn't capable. Look at this bike.